Imagine standing at the crossroads of the world, where East meets West, where ancient empires left their mark, and where every street whispers stories from centuries past. Istanbul is not just a city. It is a living masterpiece, a place where history, culture, and modern energy collide in the most spectacular way. From hidden rooftops with breathtaking views to floating markets on the Bosphorus, from grand palaces to secret underground tunnels, Istanbul in 2025 is more magical than ever. This is not your typical travel guide. This is the ultimate Istanbul experience. Stay with me as we explore the most incredible places to visit this year, with insider tips, hidden gems, and breathtaking visuals that will make you fall in love with this city. Let's begin. We start with the most iconic landmark of Istanbul. Hagia Sophia has stood for over 1,500 years, witnessing the rise and fall of empires. It was once a Byzantine church, then an Ottoman mosque, then a museum, and today, it stands again as a mosque, a symbol of Istanbul's ever-evolving identity. As you step inside, you are greeted by the shimmering golden mosaics, the towering dome that seems to float in the air, and the echoes of centuries of prayers. The history is almost tangible. But what makes 2025 special? The recent restorations have revealed hidden frescoes and intricate details unseen for decades. If you've been before, you haven't truly seen Hagia Sophia like this. Just steps away from Hagia Sophia, the Sultan Ahmed Mosque, known as the Blue Mosque, is a vision of architectural perfection. The 6 towering minarets and the stunning interior covered in over 20,000 handmade blue Iznik tiles create a truly ethereal experience. What makes it special in 2025? After years of renovation, the interior is now brighter and more breathtaking than ever, with enhanced lighting revealing intricate calligraphy and tilework in incredible detail. When visiting, try to arrive at sunset when the mosque is illuminated by golden light, creating a dreamlike scene you'll never forget. Now let's step into the world of Ottoman sultans, their hidden chambers, and legendary treasures. Topkapi Palace is no ordinary museum. It was the home of Ottoman rulers for centuries, and inside, you'll find rooms filled with jewels, golden thrones, sacred relics, and breathtaking gardens overlooking the Bosphorus. In 2025, new sections of the palace have opened, including rarely seen Ottoman-era manuscripts, private sultan rooms, and even a secret underground passage that was once used to transport the empire's most valuable treasures. If you love history, this is a place you cannot miss. Now let's go underground, to a place where the air is cool, the atmosphere is mysterious, and giant stone Medusa heads guard a hidden reservoir. The Basilica Cistern is an underground marvel, built in the 6th century to supply water to the city. It feels like a scene from a fantasy movie, rows of ancient columns, soft lighting reflecting off the water, and eerie silence. In 2025, new digital light projections and immersive audio guides bring its history to life in a way never seen before. No visit to Istanbul is complete without getting lost in the world's oldest and largest covered market. The Grand Bazaar is not just a market, it is a city within a city, with over 4,000 shops, hidden alleys, and centuries-old caravanserais. What makes it different in 2025? Some of the historic caravanserais inside have been restored and turned into boutique cafes, offering a unique blend of history and modern charm. Whether you're looking for handmade carpets, antique jewelry, Turkish ceramics, or the perfect cup of Turkish coffee, this is the place to find it. If you want the most breathtaking 360-degree view of the city, head to Galata Tower. This medieval stone tower has stood over Istanbul for nearly 700 years, watching over its changing skyline. From the top you can see the Bosphorus, the domes of mosques, and the endless sea of red rooftops stretching to the horizon. What's new in 2025? A brand new skywalk experience allows visitors to step onto a glass platform for a truly heart-racing view of the city below. If you love hidden gems, street photography, and authentic local vibes, Balat and Fener are must-visit districts. Once home to Greek, Jewish, and Armenian communities, these neighborhoods are now filled with colorful houses, quirky cafes, and vintage shops. Walk through the narrow, winding streets, stop for a coffee in a family-run cafe, and explore an area that feels like a time capsule of old Istanbul. One of the best experiences in Istanbul isn't on land, it's on the water. The Bosphorus Strait is where Europe and Asia meet, and the best way to experience it is on a boat cruise. Glide past majestic Ottoman mansions, grand palaces, and tiny fishing villages, all while watching the city's skyline unfold before you. In 2025, sunset dining cruises and private yacht experiences have become more popular than ever, offering a magical way to see the city from a new perspective. Istanbul is a city that never stands still. Every time you visit, you discover something new, a hidden alley, an ancient ruin, a cafe tucked away in a quiet courtyard. It is a city that invites you to explore, to get lost, to experience its magic with every step. So whether it's your first time or your 10th, Istanbul in 2025 is waiting for you with open arms. Which of these places are you adding to your bucket list? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more incredible travel guides ***.